Padding genuinely creates real space inside an element between its actual border and its content. In this video, you'll compare real padding against margin directly. With genuinely zero padding, the real text content sits flush against the actual border, no internal spacing. This real padding genuinely pushes the content 20 px away from the actual border on every side. Two real values here genuinely set vertical 10 px and horizontal 20 px padding together. Padding genuinely adds space inside an element's border. Two values genuinely set vertical then horizontal padding. Padding genuinely differs from margin, inside versus outside the border. Add real padding to a button so its text isn't cramped against the edges. Ready to understand the real full CSS box model?